We have 80 seconds to make a custom fade out transition, so let's get into Premiere and make this happen. This is a new project in Premiere. I'm in the workspace effects. I'm going to open a folder and just select a couple videos, throw them in the library. Let's go ahead and toss a video in there. Let's push this a little forward like so, and let's add the other video on top of the other one. I went a little too far, so let's go back. I'm going to hold shift to make sure I get to the beginning of the video that I want to transition to, and with the first video selected, I'm going to hit this little clock to start the animation. You'll see a keyframe up here. Now let's go down and we're going to scroll this 100 all the way down to 0, and you'll see it automatically creates another keyframe. Now let's see what this animation looks like. Oh, now that's a spicy transition, I tell you what. I'll see you on the next video.